In this video, I am going to show you how to edit a location name on Google Maps. So this should be a quick and easy process. Just open up your Google Maps app on your phone or also on your computer. Choose the place, then click on Contribute. After that, just give it a moment. As you can see right now, then you should enter the place features. Is this your business? If it's your business, just choose it. So go ahead and enter the place name. If it's your house, just type house. And then after that, just click out, go add the address of it. As you can see, you can also edit the map location and choose where you want it to be. Then click on OK. Choose the category as well. So click on category. Choose if it's one of these residential or education. Then type the address you have for it. So after you type, just go ahead, click out, and then click Submit at the bottom. Then click on OK, and then wait a couple of seconds for it to update on your Google Maps. So this was an easy and quick process video. As always, thank you for watching.